Windows 10 support ends October 14, 2025, which means now's the time to upgrade. But what if your PC doesn't meet Microsoft's strict hardware requirements? Good news, there are 3 free methods that let you upgrade to Windows 11 legitimately, plus a workaround for systems that refuse the upgrade. Method 1, Windows Update Compatibility Toggle. If your PC passes TPM and secure boot checks but still shows not compatible, enable those features in UEFI/BIOS, then retry the Update Assistant. Often a hidden setting is blocking you. Method 2, Update Assistant/Microsoft's installer. Use Microsoft's own tool to push the upgrade. It handles drivers, upgrades components, and lets you keep your files. As long as the core hardware is acceptable, it works cleanly. Method 3, In-place installation with an ISO. Download the Windows 11 ISO, mount it, run setup.exe, and choose to keep apps and files. This bypasses many blockers and avoids a full clean install. Bonus workaround, for incompatible PCs use tools like Rufus. Rufus can build a bootable USB installer that removes TPM/CPU checks, allows offline account creation, and forces the setup on older machines. Use with caution, back up your data, and know there's a small risk, but it often gets the job done when nothing else will. What to check after upgrading. Drivers that may need updates. Windows updates and optional features. Performance benchmarks. Ensure activation and license are intact. Upgrading isn't just about keeping the lights on, it's about securing your system, staying up to date with new features, and avoiding future compatibility headaches. If your PC works, upgrade now. If it's blocked, try the ISO/in-place method. If it still fails, only then consider Rufus-style hacks, but always back up first. Support the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content.